Listen carefully. Be ready to write. Draw a circle around the correct number.
Number 1. The student from New York bought 15 new books last week.
Number 2. My Uncle George lives at 30 Kings Road.
Number 3. Mr. Johnson was 14 minutes late for his lecture.
Number 4. It took 16 hours to finish his work.
Number 5. Mary finished the test in 70 minutes.
Number 6. My friend Alan lost 19 pounds the first day of class.
Number 7. I paid 80 pounds for that coat.
Number 8. He lives at 5062 Green Street, York.
Number 9. Her address is 1340 Farm Street, Brighton.
Number 10. We bought 40 CDs last month.